Talofa, guys. Welcome back. You guys got 3 talofas today. Well, let me get to the point why I'm here. I'm making Panikeke mawholafola, Samoa Panikeke. But I tell you what, it's not only Samoan that eat it. There's like the Cook Islanders, they do this, and the Africans, they do this. Tongans, they do this, so it's not just us guys. But this is what we're used to growing up when our mom or dad makes it for us. Like if there's nothing to eat, like, you know, or change up from bread and toast and that, they'll make us pancake, flat pancake, flat pancake, or Panikeke mawholafola as we know it. Anyway guys, look at this. I had an overripe, well, I got 3 overripe bananas, but I thought I'll bring this because half of my batter I'm gonna spice it up and add what? Someone stole my cinnamon. Okay, hang on guys, I'm gonna go look for my cinnamon. I must have put it down to do something and I forgot about it. So unprofessional. There, it was behind the camera, hiding, because I had to check if you know everything can be seen, and then had to push the record, come around here. Guys, this is a lot of walking, exercise, you know. Getting out, right? Anyway, I have water from the Kangen water machine. I have sugar. I have 3 big scoops of sugar, but this is raw sugar guys. It's not as sweet as the white sugar. Come on flour, come on baby. How many pancakes do you think I can get out of here? Have a wild guess. I'd say 4. That's enough guys, you know. 4 is enough for me. It doesn't have to be the usual 10 that I can eat. And this, then you put in the sugar guys, all in. It's nice when it's slightly sweeter than normal, you know. Then you mix it together. Cinnamon, you go right over there, have your turn. Yep. So when you mix in all the sugar, then you put in your water. Let's try with this first. What I'm trying to get guys is the thick batter, not the really runny one. That's more for the crepe. crepe, yeah. You guys know what I mean. Crepe. It's a crepe. Yeah, na 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 na. You know, I gotta stop doing this, guys. Stop singing songs that I don't know the words. You know, little busy. Yeah, get in there, guys. Get in there. Get a bit more water. I can tell. No measurements here, guys. No measurements. Even the sugar, I don't know if that's the amount I told you was like. Yeah, I think I put 4 tablespoons of sugar in that little bowl. But it's up to you. If you don't like a lot of sugar, don't put in a lot of sugar. But if you like a lot, go be sweet. Sweet for my sweet, sugar for my honey. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, you say Faye, I could have made that. Man. That's a lot of water. No. See? So that's like a whole cup of water. I was hoping for some left over so I can have something to drink while I eat my panikeke, but anyway guys, you just mix this in. Maybe I should have got a bigger bowl, because when you have small bowls guys, oh, that's not a bit hanky-panky. When you have a small bowl, take my mind off the gutter, mate. Nah, anyway. Stop it. You guys. Anyway. Yeah, vai mai, ole paku, yeah. So this is what I do. I just spin it around. I should have brought my, my whisk. But don't, guys. One muscle hard. See what happens when you forget your whisk? Yeah, there's the batter right here, guys. Right. See? Yeah. Not too runny, just a little bit runny. Anyway, I already washed my hands, so please don't think, oh, she didn't wash her hands. I washed my hands. Anyway, I put this on lockdown, and it's on. So I put my ladle to scoop in here, and I bought my spatula so I can flip it. I bought my oil so I can do it. Anyway, guys, what have you guys been up to this week? Because it's Sunday today, so that'll be Saturday in America. I'll try and upload this video tonight, later on, and you know, that's the good thing about gas, eh? It don't take long. But you know what you want to do? You want to heat up your oil till it's nice and hot. Okay? When it's nice and hot and there's a bit of oil there, so it's nice. Guys, bye. Can you guys see? If you did it, sorry about that. Yeah, so I want to heat this up, guys. Heat it up. Heat it up. Because if the oil is really nice and hot, guys, you're going to get the crunchy edges. And this is the plate I intend to put the panikeke on. Okay, here we go. Now it's ready to take out. And the next one go in. It's so handy to have one of these gas ovens with the gas elements. See, guys? Panikeke mafua full up. A bit burnt on the other side. I love these kind of pancakes. Say, you got no bread? Don't worry about it. Just bung you up a quick pancake like this and enjoy and eat it and be happy. When there's flour and sugar, when there's flour, you can even make you just a bread from it, like a damper, like bread, water and a bit of salt. Mix it to really like a dough. Put it in the oven, cook it till it's golden brown, and it's cooked to eat. You know, that's the handy thing about having flour. Plain flour, that is. Even self-raising flour. But I prefer to have a lot of plain flour. Mix up this banana. This is the kind of ripe that you need for these kind of things, you know. And yeah, get the fork. See, mix it up like that, mash it up your banana, then you chuck it in here. Since it's in there, then you just whisk it in. get a cinnamon, put a couple of shakes in there. But if you don't like cinnamon, guys, you don't have to put it in. But I love it. I love the panikeke with cinnamon. It's just lovely. And when it gets hot, when I do the banana one, I like to put little ones. I don't like to have the big ones because the little ones is like nice size just to eat for the kids. So you don't have to make the big flat one, just the little mini sizes. Then you wait for it to cook. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. I see you. I see you. Look. Hello. Mini size panikekes for the kids. Those are the good size for the little kitties. I want to tell you guys something. My husband and I and my daughter, we went to Polytube yesterday. I had to go and get some cream that the doctor prescribed for me. Yeah. So we had our breakfast, and then I had to go to the fruit shop there at Polytube. Beautiful fruit shop because it's got everything that I need, you know, for my food. Oil, the soy sauce, garlic already peeled, guys. Garlic already peeled, and I like that, eh? So you don't have to go through the hassle of peeling all the garlic that you need. There's a small packet or a bigger packet. Just get one of those and you bung it in the fridge, and you can have it there for weeks. And you can still use it, you know. Anyway, so I got my stuff from the fruit shop, and then I went to the car. I was heading towards the car, guys, and there's a path where the cars go past. I got there and I was gonna cross, but then there was a black car coming on my left, and I thought, can I outrun this car? And I thought, okay, I'm going to get ready to run. And then I thought, oh no, I better not. I might embarrass myself and trip over. Anyway, as the car got nearer, I was standing there, fiaolele and all that, like trying to act like I wasn't planning to run across the road. And then when the car was slowly passing by, 3 guys in the car all called out, "Hey, Faye, Faye, Faye," waving out. I thought, wait, oh my gosh. So I went, ah, you know, like got excited. First I was standing there, fiaolele, because I thought, oh, I can't outrun this car. And then 3 guys call out, hello, you know, they're all calling out, hello. I thought, oh, cute. Oh, thanks guys, if you're watching, and you know you guys are the ones that was calling out and scared me. Because I was expecting to wait for you guys to drive past so I could cross the road and go and look for those guys that took off on me, my husband and my daughter. Yeah, I know, that was a pleasant surprise, because I thought, oh, I can't outrun this car. But lucky I didn't run, because those guys in the car would have thought, we may Faye run. And then you guys would have seen a little Oompa Loompa running across the road, trying to run really fast, you know. But it was so good. I was surprised they all called out, you know, because I didn't even expect that. I wasn't even looking who was in the car. I was just thinking, oh, I could have ran. I could have ran across the road. But anyway, I better do my little panikekes. You get 3 little panikekes in this frying pan. Yeah, so guys, if you guys are watching and you guys are the ones that said hello, ta lofa. Thank you for saying hello. It was a pleasant surprise, I tell you that. Anyway, I'll show you guys the size of the panikekes. This is the mini version. Okay, I don't see any paper towels here. Yeah. You know, guys, I want to ask you guys a question. I want to ask you a question because I'm interested to know, you know, since I have some of the usual people commenting. Hang on, just put a bit of oil. Yeah, so I'm interested to know, growing up, who was the ones that were really inspirational to your life, you know, when you're growing up? That would be nice to read down in the comment. Oh, hang on. Have you guys subscribed, guys? The red button down there that says subscribe, is it still red? I hope it's not still red. Guys, push it so it's not still red. And then push the bell, and if you see the bell on top, you push that bell on top, because that will let you know I got another video. I'm out and about on YouTube. But guys, if you don't mind, drop it down below. Who inspired you and why? That would be really awesome to read. I would just be reading. And guys, please don't take it personally if I don't comment to your comment. I try my best to do it, but sometimes when I'm just about to sit down and comment, someone will call out from my family, come here, come, ha, ooh, ha, and I got my washing, got food to make for dinner, and my mom to shower and make lunch, breakfast, you know. So, and when I go away, I forget to come back and finish off commenting, and then I realize, wait, ooh, I've done a video and I haven't finished commenting. Rude! When we wake up, guys, God has given us another day of life, you know, and all we can do is ask Him, you know, to help us during the day, you know, during the week. Can He just take care of us, you know, from any harm that's out there, guys, you know, and send Him some thanks, you know, because God truly deserves praises, thanks for all that we get in life, you know, because I'm very blessed, you know. I'm not a millionaire, but in my life I just feel I am a millionaire, because I got my mom, I got my husband, I got my children and my grandkids, you know. And to me, oh, and I've got really, really good friends, you know. Friends that, you know, till death do us part, you know. So, you know, sometimes it's not about the money, it's about being happy with people that's gonna ride or die for you. You know, people that wanna be around you. That's the ones that, you know, matters, guys. Honestly, they do, because they wish you well. You know, they wish the best for you. You know, and I tell you what, guys, it's no joke. You know, it's no lie. Sometimes, you know, family doesn't always, you know, like, be all that good. So, you know, sometimes they can do you wrong. But guys, you have plenty of other family. If one family member do you wrong, you just turn the cheek, carry on with your life. Guys, you don't have to, you know, like, oh, you should see before. I used to dwell on everything, you know. I used to, you know, because I used to think, they're so ungrateful, you know, because, you know, I don't know. My mum always says, no, just do it with your heart, you know. Don't complain about stuff that you do for people, just do it. And I just think, okay then, mama, I didn't look at it that way, you know. But, you know, we're just human, you know. We're just gonna feel that like sense of ungratefulness, like, so we're gonna have that unpleasant feeling when we think about it, or we see that family member or anyone that does us wrong. We're just gonna look at them and give them the side eye. No, guys, we just, you know, we can't do anything about people that do us wrong. We can't, you know. All we can do is, like, carry on with life. Make your life a happy one. Happy up, you know. Because if you just look and dwell on things that hurt you, it's gonna be there, and be there. It's not going away. So it's up to you how you do your life, guys. See, this is your Auntie Faye telling you, and this is like your father's sister, your auntie, or sister if you're young like me, or your auntie, your, you know how I say Bob's your auntie. I just think, Bob, you better watch it, okay? You better watch it. You better be my viewer's auntie. Hey, Me and Bob are your fellas aunties, okay? Or sister. You know what? I'm watching some channels that I've, you know, started watching when I first started my videos, or not long after, guys, and I see their growth, and I just think, melts my heart. The Polytubers out there that's doing their bit out there in the community, and you know, making YouTube something part of their life. Guys, you guys can do it too. It's never too late. I know it's 2020, but it's never too late. You just do what you want to film, upload it, and then tell your family, hey, you better subscribe. Like I always joke to my nieces, and they go, oh auntie, I watched your cooking, I watched it, and I go, did you like, subscribe? And did you like and subscribe and comment? And they crack up. And I think, I'm not laughing. Nah. There it is, guys. Blackburn panikeke. Bye. Hot, 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 hot. Ding, ding, ha, ha, ha. Yeah. Let me have a bite. Ha, hoo, ha, hoo. Ah, it's hot. Hey guys, more. Yeah, have a bite. Out. This banana cinnamon one is You guys want to eat some of this panikeke, make it and eat it, enjoy, and make sure you make enough so you can share with your parents, share with your family that's in your household, or you might have some visitors over and you've got nothing to, you know, to give for them. You run in the kitchen, get out your flour, your water, your sugar, and if you got bananas, squash it up, put it in there. It's got cinnamon, put it in there too. Whisk it up, hurry up with your panikekes. You know, do this size, and then you plate them 4 each in a cup of tea. They're gonna think, oh, I'm so glad I visited this family today. Oh. So I'm going to take this inside, share it with my family, guys. So you all take care. Wailua, take care, and don't forget, be good to those that, you know, do you wrong. You know what? All you have to do, you know, and my advice, guys, forgive those who do you wrong. You carry on with your life and be happy. And if you see a homeless person begging for some money, please, you know, if you got some coins that you know it's going to make your bag and your handbag heavy, or your pockets heavy, grab it, put it in there. Or if you got too many paper notes, yeah, put that in there. Wailua. But for now, I'm inside with my mama, make her a Milo, give her some panikekes. Then I'll see you guys on my next video. Wailua, or take care. Don't forget to subscribe, Wailua. The red button, subscribe, push it. And if it's not red anymore, oh, that's O for Ocean. But don't tell David to me. Don't. Otherwise he won't want to find where I am. I don't want to. Okay, faso fua.